Hello my dear friends, I hope you are well. I'm Sandeep and most welcome again at this YouTube channel and also at this Facebook page. If you are a student, I hope you must watch of my video and I hope you can understand something. If you are a student of class 6 to 12, we are providing for to you grammar, and if you want to speak English fluently, confidently on the stage, in your college, in your institute, you must watch to me. How am I getting to speak? Also, I belong a village and we are getting speak fluently and confidently front to you. If you are a student, you must watch to me and you can learn something to me if you are a student, because we are providing to your whole solution in your book class 12 mathematics, physics, and we are providing to you grammar portion. If you want to learn, if you are a student of class 6 to class 12, if you are a student of CBSE board, also you must watch of my video my dear friends, and you can learn here well and you can something gain. If you want to, what become to my life when we see someone as who that's qualities and our qualities will be met, then we aspire that people. Why we aspire? Because we aspire at the start why am not capable for them. We think as, also I think as when we see someone to better, and I take inspiration of NEET student also, because when I see them how they are solving of his physics numerical question, all question they solve, because we aspire of that qualities, that's ability and that's work. Also we are learning, we are focusing of my education. B, think deeply, and I take aspire of UPSC student who is study, who is doing preparation of UPSC, my dear friends. I taken lot of inspiration of them, because how they to be polite, because when I see them we are thinking that why we cannot make them, why we cannot develop that personality. If we want to do, if we want to, because everything is easy, but you have to do work at yourself, you have to give time to you. If you want to do study, if you want to gain something well, my dear friends, I think that if you are giving time honestly to you, I think that this time will not waste in your future. You must know that at this start. If you are giving time in your education, you must not forget at this start, because if you are believing in yourself, so I think that you can do everything in your life and you will do something different of the people. If you believe in yourself, I hope you can do everything in your life if you are believe in yourself. And you must focus now at yourself, how you can do well in your life and how you can learn well in your life, because we learn watching of people, we learn watching working ऑफ पीपल, लोगों के कार्यों को देखकर हम लोग इफेक्टिव होते हैं एंड वी डू वर्क also we make as. If you are not making, if you have not made ambition in your life, my dear friends, you made ambition and do work for your ambition. Without ambition, your life and you are nothing. Do work and get. So I always say to you, nowadays in which people you are behind running, everyone would live to you one time. One time will come as everyone would live to you and you will live along. You must know that at this time. If you have ye qualities, if you have your talent, if you have your knowledge, everyone would like to you. Everyone would like to you, my dear friends. I am saying to you, you focus now at yourself and I hope you change yourself, you change your poverty to change your situation and direction in your life. If you are doing work at yourself, if you are thinking I am capable to do, I can do anything in my entire life. If you are thinking as, I hope you can do and you can gain well in your life. If you are a student, you must focus now at yourself, and I hope not distract of people activity, not distract of people behavior, how they are doing behave to you. Only you have to focus for your ambition, for your purpose, for your passion. What do you do and what do you want to gain in your life? You must know that at this step, and I hope you can do everything in your life and you do work. So what become, I am watching 50 and 70% of our country people's is problem how to improve of my communication skill, how to learn of English and how to speak fluently and confidently. 70% of people who belong in this city, I think that it is problem how to learn English. It is a big task for of our nation and for of our country people, my dear friends. But it is a global language, you must know that, and you have to learn this language, and I hope you will gain well. Also, I am studying in a Hindi medium colleges, and who I am getting speak front to you, you can watch to me. We are thinking in my mind, and what we have to speak front to you, we translate and we are getting speak front to you, because you can go and you can watch to me of my video when I starting how am I getting speak, how I was getting speak, मैं कैसे बोल रहा था. Also you can watch to me and you can watch of my first video, because first time when we speak the word don't come in our mind, don't come in our mouth, what we have to keep and what we have to say and what we have to give advice to you, my dear friends. But now I am getting speak fluently and confidently. If you would say to me we have to speak 100 of people, 1000 of people, I can speak without hesitation on the stage, because I have to remove of our fear in our heart, and I am confident and I can speak, I can speak fluently and confidently. So thank you dear friends for watching this video, and if you are watching first time at this YouTube channel, you can subscribe and you can watch to me and you can improve yourself. We are providing to you whole grammar portion at my Facebook page, at my YouTube page, you can watch to me. And thank you. Jai Hind.